Hi everyone, this is Amol Kakade. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. My company name is Absolute Finzer Private Limited. It's been 7 years I'm into this business through Prudent and I'm working with Prudent as an MFD. My dad, he was in Air Force, he was in flying. My brother, he's in army. Everyone used to think that why didn't I join? But to be very honest, when I was in 9th standard, I got this interest towards money, how to understand the money. That is the reason I thought about let's explore it more, and that's how I got into this field. After finishing my MBA in finance from the reputed institute Symbiosis, I got my first placement in a private bank into a wealth department. I was very happy because I've heard about wealth management where you can actually build relationship, and that's what I'm good at. So I still exactly remember the date. It was 1st April, and that's how I got out of the job. And it was very difficult to basically understand that how to apply for the ARN and everything. Then suddenly I got a call from Prudent, and they have told us that yes, they can help us with that. I didn't realize that it is so helpful. I went them, I met them, and then within 15 to 16 days, I've got my ARN. And it was actually a magical thing for me. The moment I got the ARN, I was so excited to start my business. And you won't believe, in the first month, I have completed 70 lakhs from one client. And that's how I built my confidence into this. So I started my journey with 2 clients initially. Now we have a client of almost 700 plus, and it is a mix of NRIs, retail investors, corporates, and everything. In 1 year, I started with 7 crores. Today, after 7 years, we are sitting at an AUM of 150 crores with an SIP book of 1 crore 40 lakhs, and I have a team of 7 people. Still, I feel that we have to go ahead. I would like to talk about 3 T's, that is trust, transparency, and technology. About trust, as I told you that my father and my brother, they are from defense background, so we have many clients from defense, and that's what they only look for trust. So trust is the one thing which actually helped me. About the transparency, if you talk about the NRIs, so physically they are not available over here, so whenever they are outside, they have this thing in their mind whether the transparency is actually there in the mind of the advisor or not, and we have shown that transparency into their mind as well. And that is the reason we have clients from NRIs from all over the globe. We talk about Australia, we talk about Canada, US, everywhere. And about the technology, we have seen that all these new clients who have recently joined their jobs and all, they are more tech savvy, and that's what, because of technology as well, we have acquired a lot of new clients as well. So we have a mix of defense, NRIs, and all the new age people, and that is what our client mix is. When I left my bank, he was my first client. I still remember his word that Amol, aap jahan pe bhi ho, I'll come with you. He started with 5 lakhs. He, whatever basically money he had in his bank account, he has actually given me the check. And today you won't believe, after almost 10 years, he has an AUM with us of almost 9 crores. So that shows the trust. If you build a trust in anyone's mind, they can actually give you your entire portfolio. बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आपको सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करना है क्लाइंट का. When client comes to you, you have to understand his cash flows, you have to understand his liabilities, you have to also understand the commitments, and basis on which whatever is left, you have to push him for their maximum potential, and that's what we do. But how we do? We create 3 baskets for the client: short term, mid term, and long term, and it takes care of all the goal-based investments. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है हर एक MFD को समझना कि हमें एवरी डे वी डोंट हैव टू रन फॉर द बिजनेस. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपकी विजिबिलिटी. जब तक लोग आपके दिमाग में नहीं रहेंगे, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू सजेस्ट देम? What I did with social media is जब से मैं सोशल मीडिया में आया हूँ मेरा एक ही गोल है. My goal is not to basically increase my revenue. My goal is to bring more clarity in customers' mind, and that's what we did. जब भी मैं सोशल मीडिया में मेरे कोई पोस्ट बनाता हूँ मैं मेक श्योर करता हूँ कि आई टॉक अबाउट द फाइनेंशियल कॉन्सेप्ट्स, आई टॉक अबाउट फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस, एंड ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. इवन आज के डेट में मोस्ट ऑफ द MFDs आर फोकसिंग ऑन IAPs, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इन्वेस्टर अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम, एंड ये बहुत ज़रूरी है इंडिया जैसी कंट्री में हमें इसे और अवेयरनेस फैलाना. बिकॉज अगर हम स्टैट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, इन डेवलप्ड नेशंस द पेनिट्रेशन ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड इज मोर देन 50%. हाउएवर इन इंडिया it is only 5 to 7%. So it is our responsibility, our duty to create awareness about financial products in the minds of the customers. पार्टनर डेस्क में हमारे काफ़ी रिपोर्ट्स हैं जो हमें काफ़ी हेल्प करते हैं. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट एनी पर्टिकुलर रिपोर्ट व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, आई कैन गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल. मैं एक क्लाइंट से मिला था. फ्रॉम पास्ट 10 years he was investing or he was trading rather in stocks. पर जब मैं मैंने उनको एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछा कि सर एक्चुअल में आपका CAGR कितना है, he was clueless, and that's what the report comes into picture. We have the ledger report, we have the portfolio analysis report, which can even help us, a client who has invested with us from past 10 years, what was his journey, what was the outflow, what was the inflow, and what is his actual CAGR that we can calculate. Prudent has more than 125 branches pan-India. Prudent is managing an AUM of 1,25,000 crores with almost 35,000 partners. Prudent is ISO 9001 and 27001 certified. And Prudent is a listed firm. What else you want? आप छोटा मत सोचिए. डोंट लुक एट द शॉर्ट टर्म पिक्चर, लुक एट द लॉन्ग टर्म पिक्चर. जैसे हम क्लाइंट्स को एक लॉन्ग टर्म पिक्चर दिखाते हैं अबाउट कंपाउंडिंग कि इफ यू इन्वेस्ट अ स्मॉल अमाउंट एंड यू कैन क्रिएट अ ग्रेट फॉर्च्यून फॉर यू, सेम थिंग इट इज़ एप्लीकेबल फॉर अस ऑल्सो. इफ वी एक्चुअली वर्क जेन्युइनली वी कैन क्रिएट फॉर्च्यून विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग. प्रूडेंट बोलते ही मेरे दिमाग में एक ही वर्ड आता है, दैट इज टेक्नोलॉजी. स्पेशल थैंक टू अनलिप सिद्दीकी, भानु सर, शिरीष सर एंड संजय सर फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस जर्नी.